Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both monitors are detected and named. This matters because you will assign images per display. Once done, gather the images you want into one folder so switching is faster. Open Display Settings, confirm which is primary versus secondary, then open Personalization Background. You do this now because setting visibility and resolution first prevents stretching. Make sure images match or are scalable. That keeps sharpness and saves time when you assign each wallpaper. Now you assign each image. In Personalization, browse to an image, right-click it, and select Set for Monitor 1 or Monitor 2 that targets displays directly. Use Fill or Fit to maintain aspect ratio because stretching will blur details on high-resolution screens. If you want changing wallpapers, create a slideshow or use a third-party app that supports per-monitor control. This step handles the complex mapping, so each display keeps its intended composition and avoids duplicated images across both. Finish by verifying the look in normal and full-screen apps. This catches stretching or odd centering. If images appear wrong, make sure display order is correct in settings and update your graphics drivers, then reapply the wallpapers. Also check scaling. If one monitor uses non-standard scaling, that can move images. If problems persist, install a dedicated tool like Display Fusion to manage per-monitor profiles. It simplifies fixes and saves configurations, so you do not repeat manual steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.